All right, let's talk about slope-intercept form for a linear equation. It's y equals mx plus b. When a problem is in slope-intercept form, this part is the y-intercept and this m is the slope. So let's consider a problem like this one over here, y equals -2/3 x plus 4. Well, 4 is going to be the y-intercept, so on a graph, we start here at the origin and go 1, 2, 3, 4. So this 4 is on the y-axis, and it's where the line crosses the y-axis. That's called a y-intercept. It's where the line intercepts the y-axis. So from here, you're going to count down 2, because this is a -2, down 2, and over to the right 3, because that's a +3. So from this 4, I go down 2 and to the right 3, and there's a point, and then down 2 and to the right 3, and there's another point, and then I draw a line through this. So this equation is this line that has a y-intercept of 4 because of that, and it has a slope, which is directions. The top number tells you to go up or down, and the bottom number tells you to go left or right. Since this is a -2, we go down 2, and since it's a +3, we go to the right 3. So this line has a negative slope. You can see that here. And that means that if we were walking on this like a road from left to right, we would be going downhill. So this is called slope-intercept form, y equals mx plus b. M is the slope, b is the y-intercept. They use m because when this was first done, it was done in Latin, and the slope stands for modulus of change. So that's why this is an m, y equals mx plus b. B is the y-intercept on this. So they labeled this b because we already have a y in the problem, and that would be messed up if we had two different y's, so they had to give it a letter, so the y-intercept's called b. Well, let's consider this problem. Now, I want you to notice, first of all, this is not in slope-intercept form right now. So we're going to have to solve for y. So the first thing I'm going to do is subtract 2x from both sides. And that's going to mean these are going to cancel. So now I have this. And the next thing I need to do is I need to get y by itself, because I'm trying to get this form up here. So I'm going to divide both sides by -3. Of course, these -3s are going to cancel, and I have y equals, and here's what I have, -2 divided by -3, which is a +2/3. That's the slope. And then I have 6 divided by -3, which is -2. So this is my slope-intercept form for this line. So I took an equation that was not in slope-intercept form, and I put it in slope-intercept form. Now I'm going to quickly graph this, but hang on just a second. I'm going to do it in blue. Right, so I'm going to graph the y-intercept, which is -2. So I did a y-intercept of -2, and notice my slope is up 2 and over 3. So up 2 and over 3 would put me there. And if I did it again, it'd be about right there. So notice this line has a positive slope. So if you're walking left to right, you would be going uphill. So this is a positive slope. And you can see that here, +2/3, a negative divided by negative is a positive. And this is a negative. This is a negative slope right here, because -2/3 is a negative slope. So this is called graphing in slope-intercept form. It's very important for pre-algebra, algebra 1, algebra 2. Everything that has to do with graphing lines. So this part is the slope, this part is the y-intercept, and the y-intercept is always going to be on this y-axis. So this had a y-intercept of 4, and this one had a y-intercept of -2. So notice where those are placed. So this is a little bit about lines. See you later.